Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my September 2020 Sacred Space crate. It is very late. For those of you who don't know, I live in Southern Oregon, and my house was affected by the fires. Large portions of my property burned, but thank God my husband was able to save the house. So we're kind of delayed. It's totally crazy. But I have water, and I have power, and I have internet, so I'm able to reconnect with you guys, and I'm so grateful and happy for that. So let's check it out, because I have not been on social media very much to avoid any spoilers, because it is the end of the month and I haven't opened anything, but also just because I'm inundated with what's going on in my actual life. So the element of air, very exciting. I always read this last. This is very beautiful artwork. I'm getting this month's moon calendar late, but let's be real, I didn't live by the moon this month very much. It's funny that way, but the wonderful thing about magic and spirituality and everything is that it's always there when you have the bandwidth to reconnect. So don't ever feel bad for taking a break. Element of air, and I sound very confident when I say that, but I have to remind myself pretty often. Sorry, the animals are squawking outside. We did manage to save almost every animal. That's a turkey squawking. The female turkey, which, hey, my boy's got 3 little girls, so hopefully we'll have a big turkey family in the spring. But I digress. This box smells very fragrant, very lovely. I love this sage bundle. Smells good. I'm still very much into fire. My husband is a little gun shy at the moment. So I have been taking it easy with the incense and the candles. Oh, pretty, pretty. I love this. Oops, I hit the thing. These little raven, gold tip raven feathers. They're very nice. Let's scoot that back a little bit so I can put some of the, yeah, there you go, stuff in the frame so you can see it. Can you see it? I don't know. We'll move all the stuff in the lens. So this is chamomile salve, which is good for burns and minor sunburns, rashes, minor burns, and sunburns. Very nice. Chamomile is very soothing. Let me see if it smells like chamomile. Usually they don't, oh, it does have a really faint, it's very nice, almost like a faint, very soft smell. I like that a lot. I collect those. Those are very nice. At some point I'll show you guys my magical first aid, or not magical, but just like natural first aid. Oh, this is very pretty. So it's air ritual oil. It's got like a fae on it. Ooh, it's very, it's got a leaf in there. I don't know, it looks like a bay leaf to me. There's some stuff in there. Let me smell what it smells like. Ooh, it's sealed. That's very nice, because usually, not usually, that's unfair. Sometimes, and that's a rooster. Sometimes I get leaky ones, but that's fine. Ooh, it smells like not what I was expecting. I don't even know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that smell. That's the boy turkeys. Sorry. Actually, I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. If you don't like it, then, you know, find a different channel. Butcher's broom root. Very nice. I always love when I get something that I don't have, so I'm very excited about that. Unless it's just a fancy name for something I already have. Smells familiar. It almost smells to me like burdock, but I don't know if that's like in the family or what. We got a beautiful crystal here in a little mesh bag. Ooh. It's almost got like a very faint pink or purple. Very milky. I like it a lot. We got, it feels like a bracelet. Ooh, very nice. Very beautiful. It's like a milky kind of stone. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not exactly the sharpest tool in the box these days. I'm very... Ooh, fairy dust. Interesting. It smells like a little bit musky. What do we got here? What do we got here? This is big. Oh, very cool. Especially with my very favorite season coming up. This will be perfect decor. Love it. Oh my god, we got a big giant candle. I love it. I think it's a big giant candle. Let me see here. Feels like a pillar candle, and that would be amazing. Okay, nice big tissue, a beautiful big air candle with an incantation on it. This is the symbol for air. We've got like a crow or a raven, 2 of them, and a fairy. Very nice. It does. This is what smells really good in the box. And we've got something. This is a very nice box. This has a lot of really good items. I'm very impressed. I'm always impressed. I like this box a lot. Plus, it's just nice to have something so normal for me to do today, which is really, really pleasant. I almost feel like everything's gonna be okay. Ooh. Oh, wow. So it's the air sign with 2 ravens. Very cool. I believe this is a stand for it. I'm going to move this out of the way. I hate these little styrofoam dealy bobs because they make such a damn mess. But let's read our insert. Oh, can you guys see it? Sorry. Super right there. Okay. That's a duck, by the way. Okay. This series will take us back to the basics of magic using the 4 main elemental forces in our practice. Everything in the universe begins with these forces. There is no greater magic than that. Learning to recognize and the makeup and qualities of the elements is the first step to using them for magic. Ask yourself, what does it feel, smell, taste, sound, and look like? How does it keep me alive, and why can't I survive without it? And lastly, how can I use it for magic? Let's begin in the east where the sun rises, the element of air. Walk outside and feel the wind or breeze on your skin. Feel the air as it enters your bodies and fills up. Okay, we're having a brawl out there. And fills up your lungs, giving you life. Air carries your thoughts, voice, and messages. It connects everything in the universe to you and vice versa. You can invoke air simply by raising your hands up and saying, with meaning, I invoke air. Or you can use a lot of rhyming, fancy words if that makes you feel more powerful and more focused. Same rule goes with consecrating your magical items. You can simply hold the item over or under the item, that you are creating the element with, and say, I consecrate this item with air. The only trick is that you have to feel what you're saying with every fiber of your being. The magic is within you, and it takes you releasing it with intention, meaning, and purpose for magic to work. This items in this month's box were chosen and curated to assist you in connecting with the element of air. So the air element wall plaque. It's designed and hand painted by the artist. No, by her. She designed and painted it. I gave it a distressed wood look with 2 ravens that are not only standing guard but delivering messages to you. The raven is the totem animal theme for this box. Friendly and ravens are friendly, sociable, and greatly enjoy being part of a group. Despite their talkativeness, they are very discreet and are therefore able to keep secrets well. They have the ability to maintain an objective mindset, allowing the raven to see all sides of an issue, making them great mediators. And then we have the raven incense burner, so that's really cool. I can see the theme now. Actually, I saw the theme before. There was a lot of raven, and here's the feather. Oh! Sorry, I'm clumsy. So clumsy. All right. So fairy dust incense sticks. Smell delicious but are beautiful. I included 8 sticks this month of fresh citrus scents with notes of bergamot, lavender, musk, and patchouli. She says there is a correct way to light an incense stick. Hold the stick upright, not sideways or upside down while you light it. Then blow your flame out after you let it burn for about 6 seconds. Blowing your incense flame out is important because it releases the fragrance in the air and keeps your stick burning cleanly. So there's a air 7-day prayer candle. It's hand poured, crafted on the August full moon, scented with sweet tobacco for its air cleansing and healing qualities. It's adorned with genuine gold mica stone flakes, which is the air element stone, and filled with quartz crystal chips, very powerful energy stone, and fairy dust, made from stone, not plastic. I had a beautiful invocation of air on the back of the candle that you can recite as you burn the candle. Use this candle to represent the element of air on your altar. Use in your rituals or spellcasting as an offering to the air element. Air ritual oil. Spellcrafted during Hurricane Laura to pull from the energy of wind magic. The hurricane missed Houston, but we still received wind from her, making an ideal opportunity to create some air magic for you. I used sunflower as that's what it was, sunflower, as a carrier oil, and then added gold mica stone chips, blue apatite chip, quartz crystal chips, powerful stone energy, and my personal essential oil blend, Night Air. Moonstone bracelet. You may have received either a mixed moonstone bracelet or a rainbow moonstone bracelet. Both are used for wind rituals and spell, a gem for intuition, balance, and wishes. Moonstones help channels one's feminine side and attunes you with the divine feminine. It can aid and distinguishes what is merely needed in life versus what is wanted. As you wear your moonstone on a regular basis, you will start to realize the negative energies that play in the grand scheme of your being and eventually learn to heal yourself. It has been used as a stone of protection for traveling at night, voyaging at sea, childbirth, and pregnancy. Some believe it can bring relief from menstrual problems, prevent water retention, cleanse the digestive system, and reduce obesity. It calms and relieves stress while releasing love to all kinds. Butcher's Broom root. This root has long been associated with witches and flying spells, but there are many ways you can use the herb in your practice. Burn during divination, add to water in divination, use for any fairy rituals or spells, use for any air element or wind spells or rituals, burn on a charcoal tab during meditation to enhance psychic powers, use in mojo or witch's bag for protection. It's masculine air, Mars, associated with fairy, wind spells, divination, protection, and psychic powers. Oh, it's lepidolite. No wonder it's a very pale pink purple. Lepidolite is a high lithium stone and is very useful in balancing one's emotional body and calming the mind. It is the most effective in calming frayed nerves, helping you to release stress and worry and setting one on the path of willing acceptance. It is at its best when life is at its most challenging, when one is faced with angry people, financial woes, loss of job or relationship, or the need to make major changes in a short time span. Lepidolite not only brings calm to stormy emotional times, it also provides an energy of enlightened awareness that keeps you on the beam so that you can handle the situation in the highest way, preserving your integrity and well-being. Sage wand. Sage is one of the strongest purifying agents Used to drive out evil. Burn it to clear a space of negativity, or just to prepare it for sacred purposes. Yes. Okay, so before you light up, remember to open a door or window, as the unwanted energy you are trying to clear must have a pathway to get out. Okay? So then we have an artwork, we have the moon and the zodiac, and the bonus item is the salve, which can treat driver rash, cracked nipples, sunburns, chickenpox, eye and ear infections, disorders of the eyes. It doesn't really cure chickenpox, guys. Chickenpox is a viral illness. It probably just heals the rash associated with it. Disorders of the eyes, including blocked tear ducts, conjunctivitis, nasal inflammation, and poison ivy. So, next month is fire. I'm very excited. I'm going to catch up with you guys. I'm going to be posting things. They're going to be pretty far behind, but I'm going to try to catch up. I'm really pleased with this box. It's very wonderful. This is one of my favorite boxes, Sacred Space Crate. The link will be in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have missed you. But my dogs are going crazy, so there's probably somebody here. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys very soon.